Two, one. Hello, everybody. Today we're playing some Ark Survival Evolved. This is episode 1. I'm joined by Richard and Devin. Richard, say hi.
Hi, also known as TheStormingGator.
And Devin, say hi.
What's up?
He's also known as Gred. Alright, so, plan is for today's episode, we're going to be building a boat and hopefully reaching right about, I'd say, see the islands down there? I can't really point because, yeah. But the islands down there, we're going in between there, see if we can get inside the canyon. Yeah, so
You know what?
it's a fun-filled episode. The one thing we do have to worry about going there, though, are the Spinos. Which is usually
what?
Also,
If you could,
dominating that area.
Also, to the viewers watching, you guys are probably already noticed that we already got some progress done. We just did that just to save you guys, all the time.
Yeah, so we don't have to go through. Oh, yeah, look, we're going through the starting of the game where you have to...
no, Jared, here's 20 arrows for you.
Oh, wait, what? Hold up.
I got 20 arrows for you.
I'll say less. Give me that.
I dropped them. And Killer, I have 20 arrows for you.
1 second.
I dropped them in here.
Damn it. Damn it, Bobby. Please hit him. Oh, that would have been cool.
Language. You will be assimilated for that kind of language again.
I can just remember Rick and Morty, what was that chick that just assimilated everything? 5 minutes of me trying to poke a bird with a long spear.
I'm still
That's gonna be the
stationary.
title of the video. You stole my stimberries. You died. Fair enough.
I mean, why are humans and monkeys and different things? I mean, you've seen some of those people out there. The world's flat.
Oh my god. I gotta drink bathwater. It gives me
We don't
energy.
talk about that here. That's an uncharted zone in there, to tell you the truth. Hopefully
I hit it.
it doesn't escape.
It just ate my boomerang. Oh, no, never mind.
Careful. Ow. Okay,
Oh,
well,
no.
Yep.
that ain't stuck.
Ow! Screw you!
So, we killing it, or are we just,
Knock it out.
Use
Knock it out. Let's
use
tame
the
this.
boomerangs.
Oh, I
I'm
blocked
using-
it.
I need to make a
No,
boomerang.
probably not. Yeah, no.
Guys, just hang on for 1 second.
It's almost knocked out. Knock it out.
Hit
It's
it.
knocked out.
Yes!
Yeah.
Alright,
Good job, good
did you see
job.
berries or meat? Berries. What else has beaks? Birds. Birds fly in flocks. Flocks are more than 3. 3 Illuminati confirmed.
I hate you.
Damn,
I hate-
scientist.
You know I'm
I
right.
hate you so
You know
much.
I'm right. You know
I
I'm
Damn,
right.
hate you
software
so
science.
much.
So good.
I'm not about to be dehydrated.
Reaching so hard with that. Oh god.
But-
The fastest map. You know what? You guys are gonna tame that. I'm gonna tame this.
Oh, I was gonna say I can't find any fish, so I'm. Wait.
You can
Are
just
you
use
taking-
regular.
You guys be tamed.
Wait, what? I thought you could only use fish.
Nope. You can use regular
No.
meat.
Otters, it requires fish, but not for pterodons. As far as I know, unless they updated it.
I'm gonna get killed by a
I'm gonna be.
dino.
I mean, for me, the last time I tried to, tame one, it took me like half an hour to
Well, I
figure
tried-
out because it woke up like 3 times. Then I realized.
Don't kill
oh,
it.
wait,
Don't kill it. I'm
takes fish.
taming it. It's
Okay.
It's taking a second. It's gonna be my dog. Out.
Anywho, but the pterodactyl, whatever, it takes normal meat, right?
Yeah.
Good.
So just we need to fix the bow problem. The crossbow works fine, but the bow itself
I mean,
sucks.
besides, but you're sure because I could have swore it only took fish meat.
Hey, where'd the parasaur go?
I chopped it up. Do you want the
Oh,
meat
can
and
you,
hide from it?
Can you do me a favor? Give me the meat real quick.
Yeah, 1 sec.
Sorry to be picky about the.
Ah,
meat,
one of the
I
rat
just needed
things.
to tame this guy. Thank you.
Well, yeah,
Oh,
but
I
it's
got
just
Trying to find a way
annoying.
to eliminate that.
Oh yeah, it is, yeah. I mean, for me, I was like,
Yeah,
what?
the game
It's
isn't
broken,
bugged
I
at
fixed
all.
it. Not gonna fix it.
You want to help me take down this one, Devin?
Here, I got it. I'm gonna shoot it.
I need meat. Oh, wait. You guys are killing something? I need meat.
Killing a turtle.
Kill it. The pterodactyl needs meat.
Oh, that's cool. Actually, shooting it in the body does more damage than the shell. That's actually cutting. It's cool attention to detail.
It's cutting.
Cutting edge.
Piercing edge.
Get some distance, Devin. Get some distance. Stop firing. Get
You guys are just near the shoreline. Still.
I don't need
What?
distance.
distance.
Oh, hey, I see a
disturbs
parasol.
me. Yeah, I'm a 15-year-old. I listen to edgy stuff. Thanks.
What's next? You listen to Led Zeppelin?
Get away, get away. It's the most dangerous bird in the universe. Say it
What?
deflected my arrow with its face.
Guys, Parasaur is running. Can you help kill it?
Motherfucker.
I need meat.
I killed it. If you don't have any,
I need to get back to the other animals I'm taming.
You stole my raw meat. I hope you die.
Yeah, I stole mine
Alright,
too.
well.
I'm also taming stuff, you know. Taming stuff, you know.
Can we all agree this thing is invincible?
What?
The flying dick bird.
Oh. Yeah. I mean, that works.
It's the best. It's the best name I can give this thing. It's just flying dick bird.
Why can't you stop running everywhere?
Dude, I've hit it.
Yeah, it's invincible. Can we just agree now?
He'll be tamed in no time.
I'm pretty sure
This
this
guy,
is
I
the
gotta
same
wait.
one from before.
How? Die! You won't die! Come here. I'm going to murder this thing. It's the last thing I do.
Hey,
Invincibles.
I'm level 13. Wait, guys, aren't those things ichthyosaurus? Because I can make a saddle for them.
Yes, because you can totally ride one of these tiny things. No.
Well, one of the things that steals your stuff is
Yeah, you can't.
I'm just completely, you know,
sell for
confused.
something way too small.
It's right here.
It's not the same bird.
Yeah.
Believe me, the ichthyosaurus that you're thinking of are those ones that they're pretty much good for jet skis and flight. These things.
Oh, yeah. Well,
it's
if a
invincible,
Triceratops
Devin.
is,
Just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Get away from it.
I will murder this thing.
If you guys have some meat, I could possibly use some.
Yeah.
You know what? Have some meat.
Told you
This
before.
fucker set it on fire. If it bleeds, we can.
The dark
Speak for
side.
yourself, pleb.
That goes in the same place as the bathwater goes in hell.
Yeah, it.
Counting on the being made useless. Help! No.
This is our last stand. Oh, motherfucker!
I
No! No! Don't let him! Don't let him
bad.
kill dog. Oh shit! He's gonna kill dog. Take on the other one. I got this one.
Oh!
I cannot see anything. I don't even see him.
Jennifer Gamma.
Help!
But whenever
Okay,
I do,
it
I
broke
see
my
nothing but
shield, I'm
sun
dead.
glare.
It broke my shield.
Oh no. No, we need to get up on top of a rock. I apologize, guys. This is a very bad idea.
Protect dog.
About to get me
I'm
dead.
not-
You're about to get me dead.
Dog, no. Dog, stop. Don't. Bad dog.
I tried knocking it out because that's easier than killing it.
No, I'm out of stamina. No, please, please. Ow.
Dog will
No,
save you.
bones broken. Bones broken. Bones broke.
And dead.
This is a very bad idea.
You You know, I'm
Anna,
not one to pass
I'm gonna change
judgment,
your
but Richard, I think this is
behavior.
your fault.
How?
I know, it's a joke. It's a joke. Shit,
Hold on.
I need to save
Behavior.
dog.
Change. Stance.
God damn it.
Attack your target.
Aw, damn. He held his own. Alright, I'm gonna go fucking.
Oh, and of course they go passive.
What?
They go passive. I apologize, guys. That was my fault.
It's alright.
Yeah,
Oh, why?
it is your
Leave
fault.
me alone. I didn't even mean to hit you. That's your fault for jumping
Now-
in front of me.
Now, I just want to say one thing. If we were prepared, I would have been like, yes, let's kill it because that's XP.
Well, now we're prepared.
Oh, hey, you got it.
Because I'm a fearful cunt now. I'm a fearful cunt. My bow is broken. I am fearless. Hear me. Wait, does this count as a medium-sized animal? No, it does not.
I just see that 0 damage.
Pleb.
Sorry about
this one.
that, killer. I'm not gonna lie.
It's
That was
alright, it's
that was
alright.
bad.
Let's kill another one.
Are you fucking retarded? Alright, that's going to end it for today's video. We finally got a raft. Next time we're going to be heading over to that little... I'm going to have Richard actually mark it on the map, but anyway, we're going to be heading out to that little bit of a canyon, see if we can find any adventures await us there. I'm pretty sure there's an artifact over there, actually. Yeah, see you guys next time. Peace out, my dudes.